Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.